Customer Communication Report. From this report, you can view what are the emails you have sent to customers by system users. You can select customers. You can select active, inactive or both customers. You can select customer categories. From report options, you can select date range. View report. You can view emails you have sent to your customers. You can view the date range. You can view transaction date, email send date, sent from, sent to, your customer name, recipient email address, type, transaction type, and document number. By clicking this line, you can view the original document and you can export this report to PDF, CSV, Excel, and these formats. You can print or email this report.